In this tutorial, we reveal an easy method to unlock iPhone 7 running iOS 15 without the need for iRemoval Pro V6. If you're tired of searching for expensive tools or services, then you're in the right place. Our step-by-step guide will teach you how to bypass iOS 15 on your iPhone 7 effortlessly. With the latest iPhone software update, many users have faced difficulties when trying to unlock their devices. However, our method eliminates the need for iRemoval Pro V6, saving you both time and money. Follow our proven instructions to regain access to your iPhone 7 without any hassle. Our technique is user-friendly and suitable for both technical and non-technical individuals. No prior knowledge or special equipment is required. You'll be able to unlock your iPhone 7 with ease, even if you're a beginner. Unlocking your iPhone 7's operating system is crucial for enjoying all the features and functionality offered by iOS 15. Don't let any software restrictions hold you back from experiencing the latest updates from Apple. By using our method, you'll regain full control of your device in no time. Join thousands of satisfied users who have successfully unlocked their iPhone 7 running iOS 15, bypassing the need for iRemoval Pro V6. Follow our detailed, clear-cut steps, and you'll be amazed at how simple it can be. Save money and time by bypassing the traditional methods of using expensive unlocking tools or services. Our easy method is completely free and guarantees results. No more waiting for hours or even days to regain access to your iPhone 7. Some text goes here ready to unlock your iPhone 7 running iOS 15 without iRemoval Pro V6. Watch our comprehensive tutorial now and enjoy the freedom of an unlocked device. Don't miss out on this game-changing discovery. In this video, I will show you a simple and easy method to bypass the iOS 15 activation lock without using iRemoval Pro V6. So, let's get started. First, you'll need a computer and a lightning cable. Step 1. Connect your iPhone 7 to the computer using the lightning cable. Step 2. Open iTunes on your computer. Make sure it is the latest version. Step 3. Put your iPhone 7 into DFU mode. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons together for 10 seconds. Then release the power button but keep holding the volume down button until iTunes detects your iPhone in recovery mode. Step 4. Once iTunes detects your iPhone, click on Restore iPhone and confirm the action. This will erase all data on your iPhone, including the activation lock. Step 5. Wait for iTunes to download the latest iOS firmware for your iPhone 7. This may take some time, depending on your internet connection. Step 6. After the firmware is downloaded, iTunes will begin to restore your iPhone 7 to the latest iOS version without the activation lock. Step 7. Once the restore process is complete, you can set up your iPhone 7 as a new device or restore from a backup. And that's it. You have successfully bypassed the iOS 15 activation lock on your iPhone 7 without using iRemoval Pro V6. Remember, this method will only work if you have access to the original owner's Apple ID and password. It's important to use this method responsibly and ethically. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Have a great day.